Beneath our feet in the dusty stillness, where roots whisper and sunlight rarely visits, a civilization hums. No skyscrapers, no Wi-Fi, no morning traffic. Just ants, building empires in the dirt. Welcome to the original air-conditioned cities, designed without architects, engineered by instinct to be super efficient by super organized, super tiny beings, the ants. There are more ants than you. There are more ants than all the people on Earth, times a million. For every human, there are roughly 2.5 million ants. Basically, we are outnumbered. But today, we're not talking numbers. We're going underground and overground to the cities they build. Ventilated, insulated, and way more energy efficient than your average apartment. Ants build nests with chambers for nurseries, tunnels for transport, trash rooms, yes, ants recycle, and ventilation shafts to cool, dry, and oxygenate the colony. Their secret? Thermal dynamics and patience. By digging at precise angles and depths, they create airflow. Cool air in, warm air out. No blueprints, no degrees in HVAC, just instinct, teamwork, and 100 million years of field experience. Technically, termites aren't ants, but let's not be speciesists. They're the elite engineers of the insect world. Some termite mounds stand 8 meters high. That's like a 6-story building, made of spit and sand. Inside, there are air vents, cooling chimneys, moisture-regulating walls, all without electricity. Their secret? Biomimetic architecture. Even humans struggled to copy this, until the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe modeled its design after termite mounds, using 90% less energy than similar buildings. So next time someone mocks termites, just say they inspired biomimetic architecture. What have you done? Every ant knows its job, no confusion, no quiet quitting. Worker ants dig, clean, feed and fight. Soldiers defend the nest. Nurse ants care for larvae. The queen, she lays up to 1,000 eggs a day. There are no motivational posters in ant colonies. No teamwork makes the dream work mugs. Just a collective intelligence. A kind of social GPS that keeps everyone on task. What can we learn from ants? Build collaboratively, be resilient, lean on each other, design with nature, not against it. If you smoosh their tunnels, they'll rebuild overnight. No drama, no group chat meltdown. Their homes breathe, their systems adapt, their cities thrive, without a single micromanager in sight. Maybe the dirt knows something we don't. Ants have been farming for 50 million years. They grow fungus in underground gardens. Others herd aphids like cattle, sometimes use leaves as tools. In tech, they inspired airflow design in green buildings, swarm algorithms used in robotics and search tech, ant-based logistics, like how Amazon routes packages or how drones coordinate. These tiny creatures shape tech while wearing no pants and having no meetings. In a world obsessed with skyscrapers and status, ants remind us that greatness can live in the ground. Maybe success isn't always loud. They don't chase attention. They build quietly, collectively, consistently. Maybe the best ideas come from those who never speak, only build. If you had to live like an animal for 1 week, which one would you choose? And why? Write your answers below. No judging.